Assalamualaikum students. Today I am going to explain PC Ranch Standard 4 Subject English Grammar Part 1. Grammar Chapter number 2 Subject and Predicate. Firstly, we will go through the definition of subject. Means what is subject? Subject means a subject is the person or thing that is doing an action or person or thing that is the focus of the sentence. Now, what is predicate? The predicate of the sentence is the part that contains the action. Now here, read the sentence given below. The sun rises in the east. My best friend is Pranay. So here, I had given two sentences, and that two sentences I had divided in two parts, subject and predicate. Subject means the person who is doing the action, and predicate means the action which is doing by the subject. Means here the sun is a subject and rises in the east is the predicate. Second, my best friend is Pranay. So here my best friend is subject and is Pranay is predicate. In the above sentence, you can see that a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The subject is the doer of the action and predicate shows the action being done by the subject. So previous, which I had given the definition about subject and predicate, is such like that. Subject means who is doing the action and predicate means the action doing by the subject. Now here we will go through exercise 1. Break the following sentence into subject and predicate. Then write them in their column. My uncle is very tall. The donkey is braying. The sun is very kind. The cuckoo sings sweetly. Shreya loves to eat ice cream. He is an honest boy. Now, this 6 sentences we need to divide in two parts, subject and predicate. Now exercise 1 answers we need to divide in two parts, subject and predicate. So first sentence is my uncle is very tall. So my uncle is very tall. So uncle is tall, that's the action is predicate, and the subject means who is doing the action means what is related to subject, right? Next is the donkey is braying. So donkey is braying. So subject means the donkey means the who is doing action, and predicate means action which is doing by the subject. Number 3, the king is very kind. So here the king is a subject and is very kind is predicate. Number 4, the cuckoo sings sweetly. So the cuckoo means subject and the action which is doing by cuckoo is sing sweetly. Number 5, Shreya loves to eat ice cream. So here subject Shreya and the action doing by Shreya is loves to eat an ice cream. Number 6 is he is an honest boy. So here he is a subject now and is an honest boy is a predicate. So here he means subject who is doing the action, and the action is an honest boy because he is an honest boy. So the action is doing by that boy. Thank you. Assalamualaikum students. My name is Patel Samira. Today I am going to explain PC Ranch Standard 4 English Grammar Chapter number 2 Subject and Predicate. In first part we had learned about what is subject and what is predicate. Now we are going through part 2 of subject and predicate. Now we are going through part 2 subject, verb and object. Students, do you know what is it, subject, verb and object? It's the sentence formation. The sentence formation is subject, verb and object. A sentence has a subject and a verb. The subject is usually a naming verb. The verb follows a subject and points to an action that is done by the subject. The subject means a person or a naming word, and verb means the action doing by the subject. So here just example number 1, the bird flies. So the bird is a subject and flies is a verb. Second, the child cries. So the child is a subject and cries is a verb. In the given sentence, the bird and the child are the subject. As previous I had explained that the bird and the child is both are the subject. Flies and cries are verb as they point to action to the subject. So here flies and cries, these both are action which is done by bird and child. An object is a noun or pronoun which is the receiver of the action. Object usually follows a verb. So subject means a person, verb means an action doing by the subject, and object means noun or pronoun, or we can say that it usually object is usually follows by verb. Now we are going to example, the boy made paper boat. So here the boy is a subject and paper boat is an object. So here the teacher threw a chalk. So the teacher is a subject and throw a chalk is an object. Now we are going to exercise 2. In each of this sentence, identify and write the subject, verb and object. So the goat climbed up the hill. So here the goat is a subject, climb is a verb and hills is an object. Next, so here goat is a subject, means she had climbed it. So we are going to exercise 2. In each of these sentences, identify and write the subject for S, verb for V and object for O. So number 1, the goat climbed up the hill. So goat is a subject, climb is a verb and hills is an object. So the climb action doing by the goat. Number 2, the children ran across the road. So here children is a subject, ran is a verb and road is an object. So the children, the action ran is doing by the children. Number 3, the woman and her children waited for the train. So here woman and children, these both are the subject. Waited is a verb, means action, and train is an object. Now number 2, bees makes honey. So bees is a subject, make is a verb and honey is an object. So now number 5, the cat jumped over the fence. So here the cat is a subject, jump is a verb and fence is an object. So the action jump doing by the cat. Number 6, the Jack and Jill ran up the hill. So here Jack and Jill is a subject, ran is a verb and hills is an object. So Jack and Jill, they both had done the action, that is ran. So we can say ran is a verb, is a action doing by the Jack and Jill. Students, I hope you all are understood. Thank you. Now exercise 3, make a sentence with each of the following. Now here in exercise 3, by using this word, we need to make full sentence, meaningful sentence. So A, cats and milk. So here sentence is, cats like to drink milk. B, Tom and his dog. So here sentence is, Tom likes to play with his dog. C, bullocks and carts. So answer is, the farmer uses bullock cart in farm. D, the sun and the sky. So here sentence is, the sun shines in the sky. Next, birds and trees. So answer is birds make their nest on the tree. F. Cows and grass. So answer means meaningful sentence we need to make here. The cows eat grass. G. Birds and wings. Sentence is birds can fly with their wings. H. India and independence. So answer is India got independence on 15th August. I. The earth and the sun. So answer is the earth moves around the sun. So here in exercise 3 we need to make sentence, meaningful sentence by using these words. I hope you all are understood. Thank you.